Ever wondered what it takes to ace the CSS MPT exam? Let's unwrap the syllabus to reveal the secrets of success. Firstly, Islamic studies, civics, and ethics hold a total of 20 marks. This section will test your knowledge on various aspects of Islam and ethical considerations in civic life. Next is the Urdu section, which also carries 20 marks. Here, your grammar usage and translation skills will be put to the test. Then comes the English section, which weighs heavily with 50 marks. This section is subdivided into vocabulary, grammar usage, and comprehension. General abilities is another significant section that carries 60 marks. In this section, you'll be evaluated on basic arithmetic, algebra, geometry, logical problem solving, analytical abilities, and mental abilities. General knowledge, another 50-mark section, encompasses everyday science, current affairs, and Pakistan affairs. Now let's delve deeper into the English section. It includes synonyms, antonyms, prepositions, sentence completion, sentence correction, comprehension, and odd word out. The general ability section tests your skills in basic maths, algebra, geometry, general mental ability, and analytical reasoning. The Urdu section evaluates your grammar and translation skills, while the Islamic studies section tests your knowledge of the religion. The general knowledge section is subdivided into everyday science, Pakistan studies, and current affairs. In the English section, you'll encounter GRE vocabulary, synonyms and antonyms, tenses, corrections, parts of speech, rules of English grammar, conditional sentences and its types, kinds of sentence structures, and comprehension exercises. The everyday science section covers various branches of science, scientific inventions and discoveries, scientific instruments and apparatuses, and topics related to physical and world geography. The current affairs section will test your knowledge of national and international current affairs of the last year and static general knowledge. The Pakistan affairs section encompasses Pakistan geographical overview, the rise of Islam in South Asia, the rise of British imperial power, the governments in Pakistan after partition, the creation of Pakistan, and the governmental structure of Pakistan. The Islamic studies section covers Islam in history, family of the Prophet Muhammad, the list of themes of the Quranic chapters, notable pointers and facts about the Quran and prophets. In summary, the CSS MPT exam tests a wide range of skills and knowledge, from Urdu grammar to current affairs. It requires a thorough understanding of the syllabus and consistent preparation. So, gear up, plan your studies, and embark on the journey to success in the CSS MPT exam. Good luck!